Paw fam, it's iPawsKat. You've heard of these three, right, on mobile? The gatekeepers of editing. Well, did you know that Instagram made their own app called Edit? It is on Android and it's also on iOS as well. And everything inside is absolutely free. You don't believe me? Well, let's dive in. I've been using Instagram Edit since they launched it, and it's absolutely amazing. But as you can see, a lot of other people as well. You can check out other people's ideas. You can also add stickers. You can check out people's reels. The audio is awesome as well. You can add to it. You can also make your own collections, and also you can add fonts as well. But my favorite thing to do is hit the middle button at the bottom and create our first project. So all we have to do is click the plus button, go find the reel that we're working on, and voila! But that's not all. You can also add captions for free, not like the gatekeepers. Now what's cool about this is you can edit, you can check out different styles as well, you can move your text around, you can pick out awesome things like you can have it completely stand still or make it move or change color, and it's absolutely free. Did I tell you it's absolutely free? I'm not kidding. You can also edit if you're hearing something different in your captions as well, but there is a bit of a bug. If you hit edit captions, if you want to resize your edit, it doesn't resize at all, and I tried everything to resize it. It only goes up to like that tiny. So what I usually do is I'll hit the style button again and then change the style, and then it'll reset itself again. See, now it reset itself again. Now we can put it the right size that we want it. Now if you want to keep your short reel clip like this, go do it. But what I usually do is I take an extra step, you know, for the people who like to steal things when there isn't a watermark on it. What's awesome is that you can hit the links button. You can get people to go to a different reel of yours after this reel, which is awesome. So you can link a reel to another reel, or you could hit accounts. You can also hit the for you and mention other people as well. You can mention other people's accounts, or this is what I usually do. I usually go into hit link. I put in my name. There. Much better. And then I use it as a watermark. Now, I usually stretch it so that it goes for the whole entire reel, short clip, whatever the thing is called. The vertical. And that way, people can't steal them. Or say, oh, look, that's me. Forget that name that's there. And then all you have to do is hit export, and you have it all done. Now here you could do a couple of things. You can hit your Facebook button and go and make a Facebook reel. You could hit Instagram and immediately make an Instagram reel. You could send it to people through Messenger, or you can actually get a link and send it to all of your social medias, or you can actually download it to your device. What I usually do is I like to download it to my device. Now, if this tutorial actually helped you, that's awesome. Hit the like button and also share it with other people as well who are content creators on mobile. And also hit that subscribe button as well. I will see you in the next video.